Hello friends, it's me Bhupender Singh from Remix Real Estate Center. Today I'm gonna show you here my new listing in Kitchener West. This is 163 Peach Blossom Crescent, Kitchener. Here is what I like about the main floor, open concept, quartz countertop. How about this for feature wall? On top, we got another family room. Up just few stairs. Here's look at 3 bedrooms. The nice part is you can get access to the primary bath from the bedroom. Downstairs, we have got for you InLaw Potential. On moving day, you have nothing to do, just to move in and deck and fence installed. To find out more about this listing, you can contact me. It's me Bhupender Singh from Remix Real Estate Center, Kitchener. Thank you and have a great day. Hope you see you soon.